Hello guys, hope you're having a great day. So as my Ramazan friend told, it's almost 12:22 right now, so I need to go to sleep as soon as possible, but I wanted to shoot this video because I've been neglecting to shoot video for my trading YouTube channel, because here in Dubai I've been living for 2 months, so I start to shoot a couple of like daily here and there, day in the life of Alex, day in the life of during the Ramadan days and here and there, so I start to shoot it. So if you want to go back and watch that vlogs as well, it's Akil Roziev vlog. So the reason why I came back to shoot these videos as well, I want to be consistent on my trading YouTube as well. So I've been watching lately the Tom Hugert videos as well, the way how he trades, and basically he trades the Dow Jones, FTSE 100 and DAX. DAX is basically the GR30 German US indices, so I don't like the UK indices because pretty much the same as the US 30, but I like the DAX one as well. So starting from today, I'm not going to be only trading the US 30, but also I'm going to be trading the DAX as well, which is German 30, which is German indices. And I will guys show you the reason why I start to not only trade the US 30 but also DAX as well. So let's get back to my charts and I will show you why I decided to trade the GR30 as well, and I will get back to psychology as well right after I show you the charts as well. So let's get it. So as you guys can see, this is my US 30 chart. So let's start from the 4-hour. So basically what was happening in the last few weeks and a few days was we had a beautiful breakout structure to the upside right here. Oh, that's not a swing low. We had a breakout structure to the upside, then we had a swing low, then we had a swing low, then we had a swing high. Let me quickly show you visually so you guys can understand it perfectly. So this is the range we've been playing for a few days and stuff, swing highs. So basically look at it. So we've been making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows. So now we push this, we'll break this high as well. So I'm pretty much waiting for the price to come down and go up as well and get to these highs as well. So when I do my Fibonacci from A to the B, and let's see how it's gonna go. It didn't really touch it, but almost touch it. So this is the place where I could have start buying as well, but it didn't really touch the 7.60, which is absolute buying. But if we start doing the premium discount areas, it means I could have been buying here and targeting these highs as well, which is occasion, which is not okay. But at the same time, I don't just want to buy because of the 50%. I just want to buy somewhere like real discount area, which is 7.60. So, and if I go back to the 50-minute charts, we don't really see anything. But if I go to my magic chart, which is a line chart, we can exactly see. So we've been making lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. So in this case, as you guys can see, we've been making lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So this is the one of the trade we could have got in. So from A to the B. So as you guys can see, it touched beautifully my magic zone, which is 7.60. And I go to the 5 minutes and I would be looking for the candlestick patterns, which is somewhere here, and golfing and putting my stop loss here. Of course, it's a pretty high, pretty big stop loss, but as long as I'm making 1 to 2, 342 pips, I'm absolutely fine. But as long as I break this structure, I'm gonna be moving to the break even. So as long as I break that one, I'm gonna move to the break even, which would be pretty nice. So that's one thing. And after the breakout structure, this is something I've been waiting yesterday as well. So break this structure, and I did my Fibonacci from A to the B again, and I was waiting to price come down. Hell no, it just break the structure to the upside, and does mean like it must or should come to the 7.60. I could have just like put a just line, the resistance, breaking out, acting as a support, and just pay attention to the candlestick pattern. What are they telling? So sellers are pushing the price down and down and down, but the buyers still pushing to the upsides, and we got a beautiful double dojis, double pin bars and stuff. So I could have started buying right there, so I'm putting my stop loss slightly right there with a 50 pip stop loss, and target will be the same target from A to the B, and I will be targeting somewhere here. Yes, which is beautiful 186, you know, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. So that's basically the Dow Jones case, and let's go back to the DAX and you will understand what I'm trying to tell you. In Dow Jones is like a horse, like it moves fast, it acts fast, but a little bit scary as well, because you might have a huge drawdown as well, then you might just pump up and be in a huge amount of the profit as well. But I will show you the DAX chart as well, and you might say, holy moly, how come it's like they're like correlating to each other, like, you know, they move exactly the same, like US 30 and DAX, but the way how US 30 moves is like fast, but the way how the DAX moves exactly as the US 30, but it's like slowly, and I will show you in a second. Let's make it happen. And this is what I mean. So basically, let's go to the 4 hour, and we break structure to the upside right here as well. And if you do the Fibonacci from, let's say, A to the B, we touch somewhere here, which is beautiful touch, and let's go to 15 minutes and see what's happening. So that's basically, we're seeing a lot of rejections. After that, we had a beautiful breakout structure to the upside as well, and we had a beautiful the crossover right there as well. So making higher highs and higher lows, so let's say the choke or whatever. So I could have entered right here as well. Look at that, I could have entered right here as well, but instead of having a 140 pip stop loss, I'm having a just 30 pip stop loss. But of course the target I'm also 100, but as long as I'm getting 1, 2, 3 and more, that's the beauty of the trading. So remember this area, guys, this area is the 2020, which is Dubai time, yeah. So 2020 Dubai time, remember that, okay? So, and now I drop my Fibonacci from A to the B, and it exactly almost matches with my Fibonacci somewhere here. So I could have entered somewhere here, putting 50 pip, 30 pip stop loss and target 2020. So now let's go back to the Dow Jones and see what happens in 2020. Look at that, 2020. That's exactly where I should be buying as well. 2020. Look at that. Yesterday, I mean on Friday, I was saying, oh, should I buy, should I sell, should I buy, or should I just play the player, should I just play the pullback or whatever? But look at that, it's giving 100, almost 200 pips, like, you know, that's a beauty. And my moon was also supporting me and stuff. So I've been recording it for 7 minutes, so I'll try to keep it under 10 minutes. So the moral of the story is, guys, that I just want you to, I mean, you can focus on one pair, but as long as you focus on all the indices, it's okay to focus on 2 pairs as well, like DAX and US 30. So inshallah, starting from Monday, which is today, and tomorrow trading day, I'm gonna be start focusing on DAX and the US 30, because I like the way how DAX moves, I like the way how Dow Jones moves, because I will be analyzing DAX and the US 30 and comparing the way how it moves. If I'm buying the US 30, means I must be buying the DAX as well. If I'm selling the DAX, means I must be selling the DAX as well. Or if I'm selling US 30, I must be selling the DAX. Or if I'm selling DAX, I might be selling US 30 as well. But I'm not just gonna be saying, oh, I'm selling DAX, let me just go sell US 30. No, I'll be also analyzing when to enter, when to exit. But what I'm trying to say is that it gives us, like, how can I say, like double confirmation, or it's like double entries. And I learned this strategy from the Tom Hugard as well. He's saying, I don't just want you to focus on US 30 and just trading US 30. Why not go and trade the DAX as well? You might be making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 on US 30. Why not make the same on the DAX as well, as long as they correlate with each other, as long as they move on the same way? So, and I've been focusing on DAX, just not trading, but analyzing and seeing it. DAX moves very perfectly, even sometimes better than the US 30 during the London Open or during the London session. Why? Because the DAX is the London pair, I mean the European pair, that's why it moves very good. But when it comes to the US 30, the one it moves is the New York session and stuff, and DAX is more likely slows down and things like that. But the way how it moves is like pretty much the similar to the US 30. So that's what I want to share. So inshallah, starting from Monday, which is tomorrow, I'll be start focusing on the 2 pairs, which is Dow Jones and DAX. And let's see how it's gonna go. And since I start to saying to myself that I'm gonna be focusing on two pairs, I start to feel like, Alex, this is it. Like, I start to feel like all the money you've been imagining, whether it's making 10K a day or 100K a day or $1 million a day, it's possible with the 1-2 pairs. Like, because if the US 30 is showing you the signs of buy, and if it's the DAX is also showing you the signs of buy, it means high chance and high probability of I'm right on that pairs that is going up. Like, so squeeze the market, go big as tank. What I mean is, like, go all in and like analyze and risk big at your positions in both pairs. Might not work always for 100%, but when it works, I might make a money like tank, like huge shark. So that's what I want to share, guys. It's been a beautiful 10 minutes, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you guys have any questions, please just hit me up, and see you at the top. Let's get it.